In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Steam and your Battle.net together. First, you want to head over to battle.net, search battle.net, and you will come to the official website. Now from in here, you want to go to your account, log in, and once you're logged in, you want to click on your account and go to account settings. Now in here from the account settings on the left hand side, you will see a button that says connections. You want to click on it. Then from in here, you want to scroll down until you find Steam and you can press the connect button. Now when you press connect and you press continue, then you will be headed over to the Steam page and you're going to log into your account. Now keep in mind, as it says right here, there will be a 1-year cooldown before you can connect a new Steam account. So make sure you're connecting the correct Steam account. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.